In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use widgets in WordPress. We'll walk through finding and exploring a plugin that brings back the familiar Classic Widgets screen, and I'll point out why each click matters so you can make confident choices along the way. Start by heading to WordPress.com and opening your site's dashboard. This puts all of your WordPress.com sites in one place, so you can pick the site you want to work on. Once you're looking at your site tools, click on Plugins. This is where you can browse, search, and learn about plugins that extend your site's features, including how you manage widgets. Use the search bar and type widget. You're looking for the plugin that says it enables the previous Classic Widget settings screens in appearance, widgets and the customizer, and disables the block editor from managing widgets. This plugin is called Classic Widgets, and it's designed for anyone who prefers the older list-style widgets page instead of the newer block-based widget editor. Click into that Classic Widgets result to open its details page. Here, take a moment to read the short summary so you understand exactly what changes it will make. It restores the traditional widgets interface and turns off block-based widgets for your site's sidebars and footer areas. If you've missed the old drag-and-drop widget experience, this is what brings it back. Next, open the description section. This is where you'll get a fuller picture of how the plugin behaves, any requirements, and the scope of what it changes. After that, check the changelog. The changelog shows version updates, bug fixes, and compatibility notes. It's a quick way to confirm that the plugin is up to date and maintained, which is important for stability and security. Then, open the FAQs. This section often answers common questions about conflicts, theme compatibility, and how to switch back if needed, helping you avoid surprises. When you're ready, click Get Started. On WordPress.com, this button may guide you through setting up a site with the plugin pre-selected. If you're creating a new site, you can use the domain search to find a new address that fits your brand. If you already have a domain, choose the option that says you already have one, and proceed to the domain input screen to connect it. Follow the prompts, confirm your choices, and complete the setup flow. That's it. You've navigated to your site, explored the Classic Widgets plugin, reviewed its details to make an informed decision, and started the setup. Once it's applied to your site, you'll manage widgets from the classic appearance